Hello and welcome to another update video about XRP. Yeah, XRP continues to be in the sideways range for now. We still haven't got any signal that, let's say, the next move to the upside, the next leg to the upside has started. Instead, it's just moving sideways again. Quite boring. A lot of coins are performing a little bit better today, including Bitcoin even. Yeah, so just made a Bitcoin video, so it is a bit more interesting. Because XRP hasn't really done anything after topping in 3 waves. Remember what I've been highlighting all along. XRP likes to avoid the formation of 5-wave structures. So it just, whenever it's formed 3 waves, it just continues to range. It's just so boring. Yeah, whenever it forms 3 waves, like here, we had the initial rally from the 5th of July low to the 18th of July high. That was a 3-wave rally. Then it suddenly starts to just go sideways. So you can interpret this as an A wave to the upside, and then we have labeled it as a B wave pullback, where the price bottomed in the support region. And then from there, surely, you know, a C wave rally could unfold. The big problem is this is absolutely not in any way reliable anymore, because the main element of this rally is likely done. So yep, it might get this bit, but now that it formed a 3-wave rally, really anything is possible. It has failed to reverse in an impulsive fashion from that 5th of August low, where the price, reversed temporarily at least in the support region, but it's not rallied in an impulse. So what would have been the ideal scenario? Or ideally, yep, A wave up, all good. B wave down, all good. Already here, it failed to rally in 5 waves. It was a 3-wave move. So wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. That would have been ideal. It would have given us a nice and clear A, B, C structure. But it failed, okay? So it might still be a C wave rally, but then it would be morphing into a diagonal pattern. Anybody who's familiar with Elliott waves, well, you know that whenever we're dealing with those ugly diagonal patterns, it's getting very messy and also to a degree unclear. So that means it could be a wave 1, a wave 2, and an A, B. And as long as we're holding 52.2 cents, which is support for that B wave pullback, we can watch for a 3rd wave rally to be in the making, but as part of a diagonal. And then we could still get a wave 4 and a wave 5. And there is a potential to move higher. And I am tracking it, but I would treat a chart like that that's caught in these sideways, let's say diagonal patterns, always with caution. And you shouldn't be surprised if the price breaks below the upper support region, because it is possible, as per the yellow wave count, that the lower support region will be tested. And that would be just a slightly different wave count. In this case, we call it an A, B, C structure in a larger B wave. So that the B wave that presumably bottomed on the 5th of August is still unfolding. So you see, this could turn into anything because it's just moving in corrective structures. Best is to focus on the levels. So we have the upper support region, which ends at 52.2 cents, and the lower support region, which can still provide support in case of a deeper pullback. And that's at 42.6 cents. As long as these are holding, we could look for higher prices, but the outlook to the upside isn't very good, or it's not very clear due to the formation of only corrective structures. You can see that this might even turn into something like a triangle pattern. Yeah. So, I mean, I have a descending trend line up there, but you could even just add this ascending trend line as some kind of a triangle. And it might even be that the B wave turns into a triangle. So I think we just have to wait for the next signal. What would be a signal that things are on the move? Well, one clear signal for me would be initially, well, that's the earliest signal we can get that things are starting to move to the upside. It's a break above this white B wave top at 60.3 cents. If we then get a break above the red trend line, that would be an even better signal, because then at least we're likely going to break above the previous highs and we start to break out of the local range. So that's the update about XRP. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.